Yo, Mutonono family, Mutonono Queen Natasha Nyemba. Aposta mapicture na Hwinza. Pange pari kutsvarudo zvemachokwadi because mapicture acho ari more than 7 papage raNatasha Nyemba. Pamakaunza Natasha Nyemba yese. Wana akaberekwa, wana achitwa sei atyiswa padama. Patsvarudo but veduwe vari padhuze naMalloti mbomuchekawo temperature munzi kuti Malloti ari safe here kwaruko. Maidhedhedhe vakaona izvi havanofa neBP chete. Ndakunyatsoona reason yaiimbirwa that song yakunzi mahure echinherera yakwaSimplex yaisati yabuda iya. Ndakunyatsoona vision yacho kuti ndo zvaizama kuvhairwa nazvo izvi. Tinge tichibhauda imi muchilauda mahure echinherera. Anyways, vari kuluka bo. Chakanaka mukaka urungwe munyo but tongoti sori kuna Malloti. Ex wainda.
Chibishwi namu. You know? Chibishwi namu.
Toti uri mbinga?
No, andisi mbinga, but I live a comfortable life. I live a very comfortable life. So there is absolutely no reason for me. Because if I was someone, anodamari, I wouldn't even date Hwinza publicly like that. But it's because in Inditormun and love, and I'm still. I can say it's me. Yeah.
Why do you say so?
Because like okay, he doesn't have a car and I have a car. Yeah, let's just say that. So it's not like I was dating him because I was dating him because I love him. You see, it has nothing to do with money.
I heard that you stay in Aspindale.
Yeah.
Is that your house?
Yes.
Your own house?
Yes.
So why then were you letting Hwinza rent yet you have a house? Yeah, you embarrass.
My mother bought the house for me and I